Hey guys, here's a doing a Friday quick tip. Friday quick tip because it's Friday, so it's the best I got. The common service, fuel injection service, top end cleaning, upper intake system cleaning, whatever you want to call it, whatever product you're using, whether it be a Mighty product, BG, AC Delco, they're all great. If you're doing the pressurized can through the fuel rail, fantastic. This is a 2009 Mazda. It almost applies to every car, with exceptions. What I want to touch on real quick, and here's my tip: throttle body service. Strictly throttle body, and this is something quick because anybody can do it. You don't have to have the special tooling to clean out a throttle body. The difference being the way I like to do it, and I know there's some people that agree with me, and I'll zoom in a little bit to show you what this looks like. As easy as it can be, we can spray cleaner in here, and depending on whether it has a mass airflow sensor or not, you can run it with or without the horn. Spray it down, clean it out. My personal feeling is it never gets as clean as if you actually unbolt it and take it off. Now I've already unbolted this one. I'm hanging it with one bolt, so we can flip it around easy and keep this quick. This is a quick tip, right? If you can see, actually I'm going to see if I can move this a little bit. That thing is pretty nasty. Let's get the light over here too. It's pretty nasty. It's difficult to get that as clean as it needs to be while it's still on the car. For the sake of 4 bolts and maybe putting a new gasket on there, I like to take it off. I like to, take it off, clean it. If I can take it on the bench, I will. This one has, it has coolant lines on it. You can, if you want to tie it in with a coolant service, since the cooling system is already drained, you can pull the lines off, put it on the bench. You can crimp them off with some crimp pliers, or in this case, you could just do it like this. The big thing is, as long as you can get to that backside and get that crud off of there, I think it makes a big difference. It makes a complete job. We're going to clean it up, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, well, there you go. It took me only a few minutes. I'm not going to get into the chemicals. I'm not going to debate that. I like Damsol Power Foam. I'll use some throttle body cleaner. I'll use some different products, but I don't want to debate that right here. It's not about that. It's just this part of it about just taking the throttle body off to do the cleaning. I think it does a much better job. Chemicals are nice, but if you can actually get your hand in there with a nice clean rag and clean it up, I think that's better than most chemicals. This isn't the whole job. I'm not going to debate how you do a throttle body cleaning or a fuel injection service. Everybody's got a slightly different method. I guess that's a topic for another day. This is it. I'm going to turn this back on. 4 bolts, a couple of quick connections, and I got a good throttle body cleaning. That's it, guys. That's my tip. Let me know what you think. Curious how you guys do it. I'm also curious, actually, what do you guys consider a fuel injection service? I know there's a lot of different interpretations of that. Fuel additives, fuel rail cleaning. Do you guys take the throttle body off? Let me know what you think. And that's it, guys. Click subscribe. Let me know your comments. Have a good weekend and all that other happy jazz. Talk to you soon.